Welcome back, and I'm excited to share this recipe with you. Today I am sharing our secrets for the best cheeseburger. I was inspired by the movie The Menu and knew I could do it better. This 2-minute video will make you want to make this now. Hand-formed Wagyu or American Kobe makes the juiciest, most flavorful patties on a griddle. Hold on to your seats for this fast ride through how to make this at home. Dine with Devin. I'm that cooking guy taking you on a culinary journey to make the recipes you love. Quickly now, smash the Wagyu ball and form it into a round disc and season. Hit it on a 400-degree cooking surface, add sliced onions to cook in the Wagyu fat. Let it cook. Don't move it around. It's a once-and-done type of cooking. Cook on one side. Flip and wait for it to hit 145 degrees. Flip it over onto the onions, add the Tillamook cheddar slices, and continue cooking. Butter the potato bread and hold onto the surface to lock the bread into the surface for it to grill crisp. That cheesy Wagyu burger is looking great. Once the cheese is melty and the Wagyu at 160 degrees, build the goodies onto the potato bun. You're looking for the secret? There really isn't one. The trick is to season and cook the beef right, and then use lots of dressing and fresh ingredients. Add burger sauce, covering the bun coast to coast. You can find the burger sauce recipe in a separate video. Add pickles, add greens, and some thick slices of ripe tomatoes. While Louis Lasson may have created the first burger in 1900 and White Castle helped push the burger craze, McDonald's, along with In-N-Out, both founded in 1948,
would you like fries with that?
Set the foundation for what the burger is today. Thank you. Please subscribe to my channel, find the link below for the site Buy Me a Coffee, and watch this video up here now.